Hey y'all, my name is Lori and thanks for stopping by and sharing in a little part of my life. On this channel, I like to do travel videos, subscription unboxings, and reviews. So if you're interested in any of those, go down below to the subscribe button, click the subscribe button, then click the bell next to the subscribe button so that you're notified anytime I upload any new content. Also, if you like the video, click the like button for me. I appreciate it. So today we are going to do a BoxyCharm unboxing. For those of you who have not been on my channel before, I'll just give you a little bit of background about me. I am legally blind, and so I do things just a little bit differently when I do an unboxing. I look very close when I'm reading with my glasses, so I only see like color, shapes, and silhouettes of people and different things like that. So I just do things a little bit differently. So I'm gonna unbox my BoxyCharm today, and so this is my first BoxyCharm. I've seen it done on other people's videos, and I thought, well, let me try this. The only unboxings I've done so far were Stitch Fix, Fashion, and Balzano. So those are my first three that I've unboxed. But today I wanted to do a beauty one. So I am just doing the BoxyCharm, the regular one, which is $25 a month. They give you 5 full-size products in here. And it says you have one choice, but I did not. I have no idea how to do that. So for signing up, I did get an extra free gift, which was an eyeshadow palette, which I'll show you in a minute. And then I got the 5 full-size products. So let me go ahead and open this up. So this card here kind of tells you about the products that are in the box. And then this is my box that I received. So the first item that I have here is my free item that I got for joining. This was the Tarte eyeshadow palette. So let me go ahead and put my hand over the mirror. So these are some really good neutral colors. I love to wear eyeshadow. I always wear kind of neutral colors though, because I can't really see to put on very well. So I'll kind of show you how I do that later, but mostly it's neutrals and blending maybe 2 or 3 colors together. So that is a very nice gift for subscribing, for a new subscriber. I will show you. Okay, so let me go ahead and check this out real quick. The next item is the Storybook Cosmetics. It is a fairy tale palette for eyeshadow. Okay, let me grab. Okay, so this, it actually looks like a book. And you see the side of the box looks like you have a little book stuffed in the shelf. So you can see it there also. When you open it up, this is the colors. There are some bold colors down in here. So I will be trying that, kind of playing with that to see. It's got a little mirror on the side also. So that is my first item actually. Okay, the next item. Okay, this next, I'm going to tell you first, on that eyeshadow palette by the Storybook Collection, the retail value is $35. The next item in my box is called the Aesthetics Brush Cleaner and Conditioner, and this is a $16 value. Okay, there's that one. I have never cleaned all my brushes. I always just throw them out and get new brushes. but about a month or two ago, I seen somebody else doing it where they were cleaning out their brushes, and using the right products will keep your brushes staying better for longer periods of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. So the next item in my box, okay, so this one is called the Brow Bar, and it is a makeover kit for brows, and mine came in light. So I will show you. Now I have my eyebrows waxed. I cannot see to pluck them or to put brow stuff on this. So this will probably be an item for a giveaway. I have another giveaway item. Since I'm brand new and don't have a lot of subscribers yet, once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a small giveaway. So I have this brow kit, and I also have a FabFitFun journal calendar pack that I received, which is something I'm not able to use either because I can't read regular print. So this brow kit will be in that giveaway. And let's see, the retail value on the brow kit is $30. So that's also nice. Okay, this next item is from Elemis. It looks like it's a rose. Let me see if it's a setting spray. Okay, it says Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. So it's a facial oil. It's a rose facial oil. $75 retail value. So go ahead and open this so we can see this. I use some of the Elemis products. We like to cruise a lot, and the cruises, when they do facials for you, they use a lot of Elemis products. So I went onto the market, and I didn't buy them on the cruise because they're very, very expensive. So I went out to the market and found some and bought them, and I do like them. This is a rose spray though. So it's a facial oil. Oh, that smells good. Definitely smells like roses. So that would be my, let's see, got 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's my 5th item. So this item, go ahead and find that on my iPad. There it is. Okay, so this item is made by Ciate. It is the Marbled Light Blusher. And it says color is Halo. So let me go ahead and open that. Okay, I'll hold them. There's a mirror on the top. So I'll go ahead and cover that, but that's the color of the Marbled Blush. I've never used any of the stuff from Ciate. I'm just kind of getting into more of the makeup and skincare than I've been, okay, in forever. So this is going to come in handy. And we travel a lot, so I'd love to get things that are small and that I could take to travel, like, let's see. Like this other one that I got, the Tarte palette. So that had, gosh, it had like 9 or so eyeshadows in it. So I could take that to travel for eyeshadow for the whole cruise, and I could take this as a blush for the whole cruise. So that is my 5 items plus my item that I got as like a free gift for your first subscription. So they also have what they call, I think it's called a BoxyLuxe box. So you have to have already subscribed to the regular one, which is $25, and then there's a premium one. So if you subscribe to those, every 3rd month, if you subscribe, you can get a BoxyLuxe box, which is like more, a much bigger box, probably 8 full-size products and other stuff in it, and that one's $49. So right now, this is my first box, so I am just trying the basic box to see what kind of items that I received, and I'm very happy with the box. I do like it. I think that the assortment of items and the colors that were picked for me were good, And there's quizzes that you can take, and I haven't even taken the quizzes, but the color of the blush is a light color. The color of the brows is for light colored, and you know, all of the other items I would use. So I really do like it. So this is my first BoxyCharm subscription, but I have some other subscription boxes that I will be videoing, and I'll have them out for you guys to watch. I hope you have a great day and happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year.